And meron nangyayari today, maraming happening, maraming sports games, tapos meron po so, ano mangyayari today? Before we do that, if we all stand, I will lead the prayer. I will lead the prayer.
We're saying, hatiin muna natin. So, three versus the rest, ha? What we have is a group of words. We'll be given words. There are 5 words here. Example, the 5 words are 6, 7. And you will shout. Divide kayo na 7. Divide kayo na 7. Sisigaw lang nyo yung word na. Yeah, morning. Identification of words. Tapos na malaman nyo, what's your phrase? Code words.
Sa aking lidang aking napadaan aabang ng masasakyan kung saan dumalang sa aking hiling sinasakyan mayroong naman sa dinaming nagdaraan ikaw may kasal ito ang bayan ko para sa amin, para sa amin, para dyan sa kanila. Taong nagtutulakan ng dinaanan ko sa paghabol sa'yo. Doon natanaw ang pag-akay mo sa dalagang pinagseselosan ko sa
Good evening to all of you. It's good to see all of you here. All of us have experienced what it means to be sons, and all of us want to be good sons and learn to be good fathers. That is the grace that we ask for this evening, with that special grace to be sons of God, to be sons of our own fathers, and to be good fathers to our sons. This evening is not so much a time for prolonged preaching as it is for simply continuing what we've been doing since we started this activity, basically for you to be able to bond with your sons.
Let us be thankful for this wonderful opportunity to be with our sons again. Today's experience brings back good memories of when we were also in high school.